Silav, hevalno, Kurdish language activities. Hello everyone, welcome to Kurdish language activities. In this video, we will learn about weather conditions in Kurdish. First of all, we have to learn the question, how is the weather like today in Kurdish? It is İro hava Hewayê. İro hava Hewayê. İro hava Hewayê. And then you answer it like, it is rainy, sunny, windy, snowy, and it goes like this. And in Kurdish, we say, hava baraniye, hava taviye, hava avriye, hava berfiye. Let's look at these sentences with cute animations. Ooh, hava taviye, hava taviye, hava taviye, hava taviye, hava avriye, hava avriye, hava avriye, hava bayiye. Ooh, hava bayiye, bayi, oh, bayi, hava bayiye. Hava bayiye, hava bayiye, hava baraniye, hava baraniye, hava baraniye, hava baraniye. Hava bahoziye, hava bahoziye, hava bahoziye, hava bahoziye. Hava berfiye, hava berfiye. This is the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care of yourself. Rewşên.